Alright, here we have something I don't believe I've tested on the kilowatt meter yet. This is a Penncrest box fan made by Lakewood. This is one of the Venturi, well, it has a Venturi ring, but it has the air diffuser grill. It has a thermostat, off, high, medium, low on both intake and exhaust. That's what the back of it looks like. I didn't feel like digging it out of the spot right now, so yeah, this is the best video I'm going to get of it right now. It has a GE motor, reversible motor at that, which is like having the plague at this point, but whatever. The thermos control, it does work. It's not doing its thing right now because it's probably too cold out here. Although, I thought it did work. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know if it ever worked, honestly. Probably not. Exhaust, intake, 3 speeds on both. Has a handle up here. Typical Lakewood penthouse control design. I believe it has a model number somewhere in here. Oh, right there. Focus on that. It's 91. Focus, you piece of crap. 9114, 60 cycles, 1.8 amps, AC only. J.C. Penney Company. Something New York. But yeah, figured I'd do a video of it on the kilowatt meter. Kilowatt meter is all the way over here. We're getting 120 volts in the garage, I guess. But anyway, we're gonna start it up on exhaust. So we'll start on high. And it is moving some air. You'll see the stuff moving around in the back there. Go to medium. Oh wait, I'm gonna go back to high. Draws 2.7 amps on high, 193 watts, 59.9 hertz, 60 hertz, kilowatt hour of 0.00, 119 volts, 2.7 amps. Yeah. We'll go up to medium, or down the medium rather. And this is on exhaust. And on exhaust on medium it draws 1.73 amps, 137 watts, and 60 hertz of course. Yeah. And whoa. It's actually a pretty quiet fan. Very nice, and has a very nice white noise to it. I'd like to bring it in the house and use it one year, but at the current moment I don't think I'm able to do that. And on low we're drawing 1.58, 58 amps, and 126 watts. And we'll turn it off, let it coast, because I don't want to put a lot of strain on that motor, because GE motor, and they're kind of sketchy sometimes, I guess. Although I've never had issues with this one. Knock on wood, which is behind me. There. As you can see, the coast down's pretty good. So we'll go to high on intake. And again, it's blowing things around. That fan was always going. Hopefully it doesn't start hitting that fan. Anyway, 205 watts it looks like. God dang. 2.7 amps again. It is moving quite a bit of air. But the thing about these diffuser grills is if you see those air conditioning vents like in office buildings and stuff, it's the same idea as that. They just put it on a fan and it like spreads it out. Put a medium. Could have sworn the thermostat worked on this thing. 1.87 amps, 150 watts, 151 watts. It went up. And it's still moving a decent amount of air. Actually moving a very good amount of air. Find the flag thing that I use. Come on. Blows a lot of air like up and off to the side. It will blow air like that. Like that, maybe. And that's the thing about these diffuser grills, is it's not really direct airflow, but I mean it blows it pretty good out of the top, more so than anywhere else. And go to low, or yeah, low. Low speed is pretty quiet on this. Still moving a little pretty good breeze out of it, as you can see. It's kind of depends on where you put the flag. It does very good at the top, but as you go down it kind of not as good. But anyway, on low we're drawing 128 watts, 1.63 amps. Something's doing a jig over there. And if I didn't mention, it does have a, it would be the original stand, but it came off another Lakewood that I picked up a long time ago. And I do have the green first gen there. Go back to high. And OWF spells off. It's still pretty well oiled. Runs really good too. I have not serviced this since I got it for my birthday from my mom in like 2016, 17. I've had this for a very long time. But yeah. So I hope everybody enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And Happy New Year's.